All right, this is a NewsELA tutorial. NewsELA is comprised of current event passages, well, really they're news articles that are converted into differentiated passages for lower and upper elementary level students. There's a variety of topics ranging from money, art, science, kids, war and peace. Basically, it helps teachers integrate or incorporate world events or current events into daily instruction. The passages and the questions, along with the passages, are aligned to the North Carolina Common Core Standard. If you look over here on the left-hand side, you can filter your searches. You can designate what skill or objective you want to target, and it will populate passages and questions that reference those particular standards. Uh, all of NewsELA informational passages are informational text, so nothing is fiction. Everything is nonfiction because it is directly tied to current events. And of course, current events are actually happening. So that's the reason they only host informational text.